checkpoint will be soon.
Oh, you see this one.
Get ready.
See, they have a special pause here.
Prepare yourself for
Just prepare yourself later on, guys. Alright, so we are heading to Changgu because now it's time to go to Tabanan.
And this is the one of the busiest junctions in Changgu, between Changgu and Karobokan, and it actually seems busy. And messy. Look at this car
Welcome
and
to the traffic. So it seems like indicator doesn't help you. You have to put your hand out. Okay, so yeah, Bali is bouncing back again. Slowly.
The same slowly like the traffic is going slow.
Okay, so this area is normally the checkpoint, but yeah, seems like there is no checkpoint today.
At least not at that time. Welcome to Changgu, the land where is people like these boys at the front driving around, and they are local, not even foreigners, before you're gonna comment like that.
They are just looking at the kites.
They are looking at the kites. So that's how it looks.
So now we are passing the famous junction in Changgu, where normally the police will do the checkpoints. And if you turn left, you will go to the Changgu shortcut.
World famous Changgu shortcut, probably the most famous shortcut in the world. And here we go, this is the checkpoint zone.
Oh, look at that. The police already get ready for the checkpoint today.
Checkpoint will be soon.
Oh, you see this one.
Get ready.
See, they have a special pause here.
Prepare yourself for
Just prepare yourself later on, guys, with the mask. Remember, for bule, no mask, fine 1 million.
You can have a lot of goodies for 1 million.
Yeah. So now we are heading to La Brisa area, and then yeah.
Seems like Changgu Desa, which is village, seems like is deserted.
I don't know where the Changgu people nowadays.
Go home. Most of the people go
Maybe.
home actually. This is the true fact.
Yeah.
And we just gonna see. We're gonna go to the most famous place where, if everybody has stayed, they must be in this bar right now. So we're gonna go there and we will see how's the facts look like.
Yeah, and also in this intersection there are normally checkpoints, another checkpoints.
Basically on almost every corner is checkpoint in Changgu, or used to be. So just guys, be careful and respect the local laws.
Yeah, so yeah, wear your mask, prepare your mask with you. Make sure that you have a mask with you and wear it properly. Otherwise, 1 million fine.
Calculate how many burgers or bintangs you can have for 1 million.
Well, actually, that for 1 million, we can use it for buying nasi bungkus and feed around, 1,000 people.
Maybe not 1,000, but
Like 200 or something like that,
So if you have, of course, if you have too much money and you wanna help support the police authority, also is okay. But I don't know where the money is actually exactly going.
Okay, so now we arrive in the La Brisa.
La Brisa.
Well, basically that based on the laws, restaurants are open for dine-in with the limited capacity. So let's see how it is now. Alright, so we just arrived in La Brisa, and this is how it is nowadays in La Brisa. Yeah, I think that it has been a long time. It has been 2 months that we are not here, and finally this place is open. We just decide to have a sunset and enjoying drinks here, and it's very nice actually, the vibe, and I really love it, the vibe and everything. But seems like nowadays it's more quiet than usual. Maybe most of people already leaving. And look at the swimming pool, and yeah, it's not that many people are here. So yeah, this is how it is nowadays in Changgu. So okay, so when I walk around this place, it seems like it's not as busy as before, where you know before it's just like even that you wanna sit, they have a waiting list. But nowadays, I don't know. It's on the weekend actually. Maybe most of the Changgu people already go home. I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Many
because
go home.
Because I read in the news, and also that my friend told me that around 700 people, Australian people who is living in Bali, and nowadays Australian embassy facilitate the flight to go home. So yeah, but not only Aussie living in Indonesia, especially in Bali, right? But mostly American. I read it American and Russian
And Australian. Top
and
three.
also British, and yeah, and the rest is a European, and yeah, this is how it is nowadays. They already go home.
So cheers guys. Anyway, also I just would like to notice as some YouTubers who used to be in Bali for longer while, Changgu, most of the YouTubers, they also go home. Not gonna mention who, but there was few people. But don't worry, I'm still here for you, so you can enjoy my vlogs. I hope so you are still not bored yet. And yeah.
This is how it is nowadays, life in Changgu.
Cheers,
Like,
guys.
more quiet. And then, as you see that when we were on the way, police already get ready for checking.
We will see, we will
Let's see
see.
how it is.
On the way home.
Remember, very obvious.
Very important. Now I drink so.
You see, it's not many surfers are actually surfing on the beach. Normally, like you know, at this time, already heaps of people are surfing. And I'll show you how it is. Changgu Beach nowadays, it's closed. And look at the warungs around. The warungs actually closed. And then I saw that the police officer there. And yeah, only the restaurant in La Brisa is open. So yeah, this is how it is life in Changgu.
Alright, we are just after drinking our bintang in La Brisa, and we are walking outside obviously, and the situation looks like it is an empty street. I don't know. This area normally is packed of people, you know what I mean, guys? Not like little busy, it's just super busy. But Como Uma Changgu, that's a very famous place for surfers. But yeah, it's quiet like in Kuta right now. Seriously, like. So here basically is the entrance to famous La Brisa. This is not any kind of paid endorsement for them, but well, this is very characteristic place in this area of Changgu. And yeah, very empty, deserted. Okay, let's go. Nothing will happen here, I think. I don't know.
I don't know where are the people.
Well,
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Changgu. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.